on the work. We're on the work, we're on the work. It's work day. What y'all doing? This what's happening right here. Amazon Flex time. Get your cart and you get on the road and you get your hustle on. That's what we're doing. Get your car keys in your hands, see it? Work that. Yeah, YouTube. What's going on, man? Hope y'all good. Last year trying to make some progress. See. Rainy day. But no matter what, another day, another dollar, right? Stay focused. Stay focused, stay focused. All of us on the job right now. No matter if it's raining, snowing, sun, especially summertime. But yo, right now, I encourage anyone, yo, get on the road right now. I mean, sign up for Amazon Flex. Get your car, and get on the road and get some of this money. Because as you see, a lot of places will be out of work. And this is one work right now where you surely make some money. So, I want to use the opportunity. See, everybody getting active. Do that. Get to your money. I'm about to get the money. How about that? Vlog, you see that? Crazy. All that. What's up? Oh. Yeah, it's still not start cooking. Bro, this is all I can say, right? If government jobs are locked up, right? Imagine how it'll be in the future, right? This is probably the only hope. Amazon Flex. What do you think? You might want to sign up and come get you a vest. You see that? Safety vest. Come get you one of those. Yeah, bro. I'm waiting for my... Waiting for my map to load up. So here it go. Here it go. Speaking of the map, here go the map. Let me see where I'm going. Huh? Let me see. It's going to tell me where I'm going. Yeah. I got 6 stops. Oh. knowledge. I got 30 packages, right? 6 stamps. Probably 5.5. Card. You know, waiting on my card. One of those over there. You got like 15 minutes wait right here, sometime less. So let's see if I have to wait the whole 15 minutes, right? Yo, do me a favor to y'all, smash that like for me so we can get this video out there, right? Yeah, we're going down, we're on the work time. Safety center. Need some gloves. Need me some gloves, G. Card 36.
Ready?
Oh yeah, I got card 36. Oh, it's over here. Oh, right here.
No more inside.
Oh, good. And I'm here standing waiting up. Good, thank you, brother. Yeah. Excuse me. Excuse me, brother. I want to get a glove. I want to get a glove from the machine. I can't really hear you. No, I can get a glove from the machine. Thank you, man. This is my card right here, right? Roll out. YouTube. Make sure y'all subscribe. Y'all me on the work. This show we work on without firing. That's a yardie. Yeah. We're on the job, man. I think we, I mean, you can't say we technically because See people in my work. But everybody wants to work now. Ain't it? Alright, here. Start this one. The brakes there for this thing, yeah. Yeah, fuck with it. Stop. Anyway. Alright, so let's get the trunk open. Time. I'd put my massager. Let's go. Make sure my key in my pocket. Start scan. Alright. So this is how we do it. Scan. And you collect. Alright. So I did already scan. Well, may not drive, so I roll it out, yeah. See? Yep, that one they already scanned. I get when I roll it out, one of them did scan, that wasn't. So this is the one that scanned already. See? Now I go scan because I scan already. Yeah, so now we just hurry up, and I only have 6 stops, you know. I only have 6 stops, so after these 6 stops, you don't know what time it is. Either get back on next trip or you do what you want to do. You see me? That's it. Key. That will make it. That may find it. Scan like with that supermarket. Next in line. Who's next in line? Yeah. Now smash that like it. Make sure y'all do that. Let's go. Before the rain, I try to make this before the rain. Alright, yeah. That is that. That is that. Keep pushing. You ever cross and push it to the limit? That's how we're doing it right now. We're moving in packages, man. Yeah, across. This is how you move them packages.